The Muuruu Pilates equipment kit brings together a thoughtfully matched selection of Pilates tools that make it easy to build a complete home routine without buying pieces separately. Its 14-inch Pilates ring feels sturdy yet responsive, with comfortable foam handles that hold up well to repeated squeezing for inner thighs, arms, and core work. The included mini exercise ball has a pleasantly grippy surface and controlled softness that supports core activation, balance practice, and gentle rehabilitation exercises. Adjustable wrist and ankle weights add a noticeable but manageable challenge to walking, Pilates sessions, and yoga flows, helping build strength and stability over time. Multiple resistance band options, including fabric loops and long stretch bands, allow you to scale difficulty for nearly every major muscle group while keeping workouts joint-friendly. Non-slip socks, a practical storage bag, and clear workout guides round out the kit, making it especially convenient for beginners or travelers who want a portable, organized Pilates setup.